the Department of Law. John Skidmore, there's direct evidence that he's dirty.
That's
to the
one of
vote,
the things
to
I
the
had.
core.
That's where you and I are going to be agreeing.
And Marla Greenstein. Marla Greenstein, and I presented a lot of the evidence to the grand jury, who wrote a report and recommendation that has been sealed. And that is wrong. I don't care what anybody says. That's wrong. That report was to us, to public.
I appreciate that. And we're going to agree to disagree about corruption within the department, because if there was, I would definitely want to do something about that. That's not going to be acceptable at any level within our department. But I do agree that we need to do some additional things and some things differently than we're doing with investigative grand juries, because I do believe that that right is currently constrained, unfortunately, and it's not according to the Constitution. So those are things we can work on, and we can have those discussions, but unfortunately I do have meetings the rest of the day.
Well, I appreciate you taking what time you have.
I saw you here and I thought I would come and
Sir, I think a lot of the viewers would like to know, are you a Democrat or are you a Republican?
Sir, I'm a Republican. Thank you.
Oh, well, thank you. Well, that's a good sign, ladies and gentlemen. That gentleman is a Republican. That'll make a big difference.
So, can I get your information, please? Can you write it down for me?
The first female to score Russell Tax together in Mill Varsity football game, and I was turned into a criminal here after fleeing for my life from my ex in the
Please do write your contact information down. Here.
Hey,
I have a pen right here. I got a photo of it.
This is my stuff. I've been writing all about this, and I'm actually rewriting the legislation myself.
So I can honestly say this is the first I've heard of this, and I'll reach out to you, okay?
Thank you.
All right, thank you.
Can I shake your hand?
I honestly have meetings I've got to run to, gentlemen.
And what was your name again, sir? COVID guy does a great job, and I think the viewers are going to appreciate you and your hard work.
I appreciate it. Thank you, sir. I appreciate it. Thank you.
Treg, is COVID guidance treason?
Thank you for taking the time.
Yeah, I appreciate it. I wanted to make sure I addressed it.
You know,
Is COVID guidance treason, Treg? Yeah, prosecute treason, bud.
I'm not aware of a felony problem.
I was arrested for filming in public buildings. I was just wondering, other people have been too. I just wondering if you're aware of it.
No.
yeah, there's some serious issues with that in the courthouse and the courtroom.
Yeah.
I was maliciously prosecuted for stalking, which I never stalked anybody, by an attorney in this town. Her name was Christine Victoria Williams. She tried to have me thrown in prison 3 different times. I was able to get attorney's fees for her corruptness, and it was all because I threatened to protest her and tell people about her place of business and her conduct. And so she tried to get me maliciously prosecuted 3 different times. So I think that's, I mean, there's some corrupt attorneys in this town, and I think it's worth addressing.
Well, I think within any type of profession, you're going to have some corruption, and it's up to the Alaska Bar Association to deal with that corruption.
They just brush it under the rug.
And I've been told that before. So anyway, I appreciate you, gentlemen. I do have to run to a meeting, so I apologize for having to.
Yeah, there's a lot of DAs that are prosecuting us for filming in public. I just, thank you.
Thank
Thank you.